Hello guys, today I will show you a full guide on how to easily reinvest dividends on Fidelity app in 2025. Let's walk through. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Step 1. Log in securely. Open the Fidelity Investments app on your mobile device and log into your account. Use a secure connection to keep everything safe. Step 2. Navigate to your accounts. Once logged in, find the section displaying your accounts or portfolio, usually a prominent tab or button labeled Accounts, Portfolio, or Balances. Select your brokerage account, IRA, or Roth IRA. Step 3. Find Dividend Distribution Settings. Locate the dividend distribution settings for your account. Check under options like Account Features, Brokerage and Trading, Dividends and Capital Gains, or Change Distributions. You may need to scroll or tap More or Settings. Step 4. Select Securities for reinvestment. In the settings, see a list of your stocks, ETFs or mutual funds. Review the options for receiving distributions for each security. Step 5. Choose Reinvest in Security. Select Reinvest in Security to automatically use dividends to buy more shares or fractional shares of the same investment. Other options like Deposit to Core Account or Direct Deposit to Bank are available, but reinvesting boosts growth. Step 6. Apply to all holdings. Apply the setting to all current equity positions and future purchases, transfers and deposits. This ensures new dividend-paying investments reinvest automatically, saving you time. Step 7. Confirm your changes. Review your selections carefully, then confirm. The settings take effect immediately, letting your dividends work harder for you.